Working on a Ford E250 3/4 ton with a 5.4. Came in not wanting to start. Gauges light up. Hit the key, nothing. Driver said he could fiddle with it and move the shifter up and down and it would start. It's been intermittent for the past couple of weeks. So we're going to test the neutral safety switch and see what the word is.
Alright, neutral safety switch on this van. Down here on the side of the transmission. Get up there. Okay. Looks like this. Alright, with the key on, you should have power at one spot. Yeah, that one spot. Right there. When you turn the ignition on, you get to have somebody else do it while you're probing. You should get 12 volts to there. If you get 12 volts to there, then you know your switch is going to be good. Alright, how this goes on. Got two 8mm bolts and a 15mm setting right there that holds your linkage on for your shifter. And one plug, right, that big plug there. That's the plug we were probing earlier. And you can actually adjust this. That's why, if you can see that, bring it to camera there. These bolt holes are slotted so you can adjust it. There's a mark inside of here.
Alright, got the new switch in. See if it made any bit of a difference. Make sure it's all the way up there. Looky, looky. So that is the neutral safety switch, 2006 Ford E250.